Blue Line opened on Saturday, July 14, 1990, as the first modern light rail line in Los Angeles, with 21 miles of service between downtown LA and downtown Long Beach. Opening day was big local news. It was the first time rail was back on the local transit scene since the streetcars had stopped running in 1963. At the time, most local officials were pushing for a subway system to the West Side, East Side, and Hollywood. However, then County Supervisor Kenneth Hahn saw a need for rapid transit in the southern portion of LA County, where the working class depended on bus service to get around. Hahn dreamt of building the Blue Line along the old red car route. Using the old red car right-of-way would be a fast and less costly way to restore rail service to LA. The route would also connect the city of Los Angeles and Long Beach, the two largest cities in the region. Hahn's vision for the Blue Line was on target. Projected daily ridership was originally 5,000 and had climbed to nearly 90,000 weekday boardings by 2013. The Blue Line was also frequently seen in movies, including Heat, Collateral, and The Italian Job. Over the last decade, the Blue Line has begun to show its age. While a lot of safety problems at crossings were improved, service interruptions due to power or mechanical issues became more common. As the delays grew, complaints to Metro's customer service increased, and riders turned to Metro's social media to express their frustration. The service delays really hit home when a daily rider penned an op-ed in the LA Times declaring he was breaking up with the Blue Line after 19 years of ridership. Metro has responded. In 2014, a series of safety and operational upgrades began along the Blue Line. In 2017, Metro replaced the original rail cars with new Kinky Shario light rail cars. And now, a major improvement project that includes an 8-month closure of the Blue Line is scheduled to begin January 26th. To learn more about the future of the Blue Line, I spoke with Tim Lindholm, project manager for New Blue. What kind of improvements can riders look forward to seeing once the line reopens?
Basically replacing and modernizing everything. We're redoing and replacing all of the track work on the street running sections in Long Beach and Los Angeles. We're putting in an all-new overhead power system. We're modernizing the train control systems, the signaling systems. We're putting in 4 new crossovers or interlockings so trains can get around each other. With the new crossovers, we can keep a 10-minute schedule when we have an issue, so that way it's kind of indetectable to the passengers. They can have a predictable ride. We can do maintenance. We can respond to incidents without affecting the schedule. The centerpiece of the whole New Blue project is the renovated Willowbrook Rosa Park station. We're doing a lot of work there. We're building a new transit plaza, a new customer service center, a transit security center, new public art, kiss and ride, new bus plaza, new crossing that goes directly into the Willowbrook community, and an expanded platform.
We know that these closures are disruptive, and everyone at Metro thanks the public for their support and patience. We do believe the work is necessary and will result in a much better service for our customers. For more details on the Blue Line project, visit metro.net/newblue.